I will demo the variable and also the data input. I will use the previous demo. From the previous demo, we will get the height of the bunny from the properties. But for this demo, we want to assign new value to the bunny's height. Okay. So first step, we need to set a variable, okay, for the bunny. First, we choose a variable block, and then we click and drop here. So we need to insert the variable. So the variable is a variable. Value type, we have 4 type. Decimal number is a number with a point. Whole number is a number without point. Boolean is a value of true and false. Text string is the text. So we choose decimal number. We need to give a name to the variable. So this name is actually for bunny1. Okay, so we give a name bunny1 height. We need to set an initial value to the bunny1 height. So in this example, we don't want to put any value, so that's why we just set by 0 and click OK. Next, we will repeat the same process to the bunny2. Insert a block and then set the variable for bunny2, value type decimal number, name bunny2 height, initial value is 0. Now we already insert variable to the bunny1 and also bunny2 height. Next step, we need to assign the value to the variable. Okay. So to assign the value to variable, okay, we click the assign block, then we drop here. So we choose the variable. Okay, first we want to assign variable to bunny1. Okay. So what is the variable that we want to assign to the bunny1 height? So actually we have several choices here. Okay, but for this demo, we want to assign value based on the data input from user. Okay, so the choices is actually not in the list. Okay. So we need to insert function, okay, from the function list. That's why we can choose any value here, and then later we will replace with the function. So for example, I choose 0.0. Okay, so we want to replace 0.0 with the function of user prompt. Okay, so we go to the function, and then okay, we go to the prompt user. So we have 4 category. Boolean, okay, get boolean from user. Okay, when we want the user insert the value of true or false, yes or no. Okay, get string from user is actually the value of text. Double from user is the value of number with the point, and get integer from user is actually the whole number. Because our variable is decimal number, so we choose get double from user, and then we replace on the value 0.0, and we need to insert text or message, okay, asking the user to input the data. Example, please input the new bunny1 height. When the user input the new value here, so this value will be assigned to this variable. Okay, meaning that the bunny height will be changed from 0 to the new value. Okay. Next step, okay, because the bunny height is already changed, so we need to set, okay, the height of the bunny. If you don't set the height of the bunny, so the height of the bunny will remain with this value, which is 0.0. So you need to set new value to the height of the bunny. So you go to the procedure, and then you find set height under size category. Okay, bunny1 set height. Click and you drop here. So what is the value that you need to set to the height of the bunny? So you need to choose bunny 1 height. Why? Because we already assign new value to the bunny 1 height. So we want to read that value. That's why we need to choose bunny 1 height. Next step, okay, this step is actually just an optional step, okay, which is I want the bunny 1 tell us the new height. So I choose bunny 1 say custom text string. My new height is. So my new height is. Okay, so what is the new height of the bunny 1? So you need to add the text that we already insert, okay, with the variable bunny 1 height. So you choose this option and then go to decimal number, okay, because our variable is under decimal number, and then you choose bunny 1 height. Okay, so it means that bunny 1 will say its height, okay, based on the value that we already set, okay, from previous line. And last, I will add the detail of the duration for the text, okay, to make the dialogue is a bit longer stay in our scene. Okay, for example, I choose 2. Now, okay, we will run the coding to see the results. So this is the first. Okay. Next, right. We will input a new bunny 1 height. Okay, for example, I insert 1.5. I want you to look at this bunny 1 and then what happened to the bunny 1 when I set a new value. Okay. Bunny 1 will grow bigger, yeah, and then it will tell us about the new height, which is 1.5. Previous, the bunny 1 height is less than 1.5. So that is how we set a variable. Okay, we insert a variable to the object, and then how we can assign the value to the variable, okay? And then what happened to the object, okay, after we assigned the value.